갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫날
Hashtag huli, happy Halloween nila. At arupang bantalaan. Ganito kami nga mga apa kasi ikas di mo ang dito eh. Pupunta kami sa pagkala na gala-gala-gala-gala-gala. Ang hanap kami ng tatlong kapal. Oo. Ang kami nga may bawa niya, may tahan nga di kasta, di nagatagabi ni kaitip dun mo, tagatan na mabangata kasyay. Makahanap kami ng apam. Ayun mo sito. Water. Waters na ito. Here? You see, ang ganda na yun oh. There. Tatawid tayo. Lakad. May singer kami dito. Stop na yan. May singer kami dito. The school is over there. And the pagod na to walking. And we don't have water. What are you doing, Elsa Hede? Oh, I know the school. I know the school there. The school yung there. Ay, ang ganda oh. Malapit na tayo. Oh, CD is over there. And the school is the center. Yan na. Malapit na tayo. In there, inside? Yes. Huh? You read the one. You read the one. You read. Yeah. We're going to the CDE. And entrance. Sa may entrance tayo. You're here now. Dito na yung asawa ko. Nandito na yung mga asam namin. Sari lang la. Sari lang hotel na sari lang la hotel. I'm going to hotel. Sari lang la hotel. You keep quiet over there. Yeah, you find the Sari Langla over there. It's the famous hotel. We are going to there and to kajut. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. Over here now. We are going to see the first, and then after that we are going to Sari Langla hotel. May singer kami dito. Sakay up there. So we are walking together. Oh, stop na yan. May singer kami dito. Oh, I know. The school is over there. And the pagod na to walking. And we don't have water.
hello.
Hi.
Dito na kami. CDE.
Quiet muna. Nakain na kami. So, the CDE and CDO corned beef tuna. CDO matuwag. Yeah, in here CDO with the corned beef tuna. Yeah, come here to the CDE corned beef tuna. Ukay. In there. Ayun na pabupe, man. Let's pabupe lang po, man. Kayo dyan, no? Dito, salamat kami. Okay, so. 3-1. It's over there. Over there. And the PM there. Everybody stand up the wall. Naku, yung nakatalaga. Nasanibang ka naman. Iwan ko first.
Here. Here's the country.
Der ng dek-dek.
Dito na kami.
Vlogging.
Open sila ng DBS.
Collect passport. Okay.
Itay kuma, nag-start na. Ay, maganda pala ito kasi dito sa Gcash. Oo, mag-ano sila sa Gcash. Transfer to Gcash. Tumawag kami sa 1-0. Tapos sinabi nila dito, linakad namin hanggang dito. Party plus hanggang dito. Sabay vlog na lang.
Tayo dito. Daming mga bag, ukay-ukay, mga sapatos. Ano na? Oh, bags. Mumura daw, mga mumura na bag. Ukay-ukay. Ayan oh, nagsasama ng mga vlogger.
Shout out Team Friendship! Subscribe!
Subscribe.